Hello YouTube. I'm putting this camera sideways like this because I'm still not finished cleaning over there. Actually, I'm not finished cleaning over there. There's a, what do you call it, English wheel strapped to my bench here, and well, there's still some shit in the way here. So it is the best angle. Plus, it's one of those fancy cameras I can mount all kind of ways. I could put it on the bench, shining right down, but I'm going to show you this today. Basically, it's new old school tool, whatever the frick day it is, and whatever time you watch this. So, friend dropped this off. This fancy, I don't know what the hell it is. Fake skin, snake skin, blue skin, wooden box, but it's full of stuff. So, take a peek. Ta-da! Dropped off a box of tools. The coolest ones I've seen in here are this Duckworth thing. That's pretty cool. I have no idea what the hell that's for, but I'll probably do a tool review of that one. This thing, which is some kind of hole punch, which is kind of weird. I tried it on a piece of paper. It punches holes through paper. I haven't looked at this whole box. There's a Buffalo, what is this? Barcelo Buffalo USA. Little grabby thing here. This is a Westcott Auto, the Keystone Manufacturing, Buffalo, New York. I'll show you this here. Little itty mini one there. There's the other side. It's in rough shape, but it's most of it's not rough. There's this little thing. I'm guessing it's some kind of whatever. Put a thing in it. A little cap comes off the end. It's a little ingenious little cap on here, which is pretty neat. Works pretty good. This thing, which has some writing on it, but I don't know. Let me wipe it off, see if I can find it. Writing on it. It is, I don't know. Anyway, it's got a little weird little end thing in there. I don't know if you can see it. See, it's like little grooves in it. It's pretty neat. It's got a what feels like an aluminum handle. Let's steel. I'll buff it up and clean it. These things, these are in good shape. They're a little rusty, need a little oil because they're stuck, but this thing is in really good shape. Like there's not a lot of dings and bangs on it. It's riveted together and it's really nice. It's like that'll come out nice and clean. They're even not super bent either. It's pretty cool. So that, and what else here? There's lots of these things, which maybe I should put the camera down a little here. There's lots of, where's the edge of the thing here? Lots of these freaking punches. Like nobody ever cleans these off because apparently if you hit these, they fly off and kill you. So there's lots of punches, more punches, some more punches. Punch. I'm not sure what the hell this is. It says ½ inch. I don't know, maybe somebody was trying to make a fork. I don't know. This looks like it was in some type of power tool. There's a miniature punch, like someone didn't have any time to make a big one. There's one that's got no tip on it. Until it's been used, it's been beat to hell. There's another little bit of a punch here. There's a smaller one right here. There's another one right here. What else we got here? This other here. Go back a little so you can see. Another punch right here. Because we don't have enough. This one's kind of got a cute little mushroom on there. See, it's, I don't know what the hell, if it's hand forged or what, but it's, well, no, it says something burn. I don't know if you could read that. It's pretty cool. There's this piece of junk in there. What else? This box of junk. What else do we got here? This piece of junky broken punch thing, because whoever had this one didn't take care of shit. There's that one, tiny one. What else? Can't forget the giant Allen key, because, you know. Oh, look, another miniature punch that's been mashed to bits. We have this little thing that looks like an enema. What else? Any more punches? Oh, look, we have another one here. Oh, this one actually has words on it. Butterfield something line, Roy Line Island, Canada. Something Utterfield and Co. Looked it up online. There's another punch. I don't know what the hell somebody was having. This one looks like it's a machine punch. And another one. Oh yes. Punchy. It's homemade crap. So anyway, I think that's... Nope, I found another one. Another punch. So once we're done looking at punches here, we're going to go through the rest of the box. Anyway, so far this is the punch video. Lots of punches. We're going to get to the next part, which will be wrenches. So stay tuned for part 2, because I really don't want to make a 40-minute video just showing you a box of wrenches. So stay tuned. I'll get rid of these punches and we'll get back to this next video.